If you are looking for a recording tool, you have probably come across OBS and Focusee. But which one is actually better for recording your screen, videos, or content? In this video, I'll compare OBS versus Focusee in terms of features, ease of use, performance, and who each one is best for. What is OBS? OBS Studio, short for Open Broadcaster Software, is a free and open source recording and streaming tool. It is one of the most popular tools out there, especially for YouTubers, streamers, and gamers. OBS gives you full control over your recording setup, including scenes, sources, audio mixing, and more. What is Focusee? Focusee is a newer, simpler screen recording tool focused on clean recordings with automatic enhancements. It is designed for creators who want quick, polished videos without spending time on editing or setups. Ease of use. This is where the biggest difference shows. OBS has a learning curve. Setting up scenes, audio, and recording settings can take time, especially if you are a beginner. Focusee, on the other hand, is very beginner friendly. You can start recording almost instantly, and most features are automatic. If you want something simple and fast, Focusee wins here. Features. OBS is extremely powerful. You get multiple scenes and sources, advanced audio controls, plugins and customization, streaming support. Focusee focuses more on simplicity, but it includes automatic zoom and focus effects, clean user interface recordings, built-in enhancements. OBS wins in raw features and flexibility. Focusee wins in automation and simplicity. Recording quality. Both tools can produce high-quality recordings. OBS allows you to fully control bitrate, resolution, and frame rate, which is great for professional setups. Focusee also delivers high-quality output, but with fewer manual controls. If you want full control, OBS is better. If you just want good results without tweaking, Focusee is enough. Performance. OBS can be source heavy, especially if you are using complex scenes or high settings. Focusee is generally lighter and optimized for quick recordings. On lower end PCs, Focusee may perform better. On powerful setups, OBS gives you more flexibility without issues. Pricing. OBS is completely free and open source. Focusee is a paid tool, though it may offer a free trial. If budget matters, OBS is the clear winner. Pros and cons. Now let's talk about the advantages and the disadvantages of both, and let's start with OBS pros. Free, extremely powerful, highly customizable. OBS cons. Harder to learn, setup takes time. Focusee pros. Easy to use, fast setup, automatic editing features. Focusee cons. Limited control, usually paid. Which one should you choose? Now, this is a very important question. You may ask yourself after all this information, which one should you choose? Choose OBS if you want full control over your recordings. Choose OBS if you plan to stream or create advanced content. Choose OBS if you do not mind learning the setup. And go for Focusee if you want quick and simple recordings, if you do not want to deal with complex settings, if you prefer automatic editing features. Final verdict and conclusion. There is no single best tool here. OBS is better for power users and professionals. Focusee is better for beginners and fast content creation. It really depends on your workflow and how much control you need, and you can even combine between both of them if you would like. And that is it for today's comparison. If you find it helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe for more videos like this, turn on the bell icon, and let me know down below in the comments, are you using OBS or Focusee? Which team do you prefer? Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison video.